What's good, Ocean Squad? It's me, 3WP Rashad, and today I'm about to show y'all how to bounce y'all 360 waves back after slacking. Now look, I know y'all don't normally see me with a hood on, but I'm disappointed in how my waves look right now, y'all. I had to force myself to slack for 2 days so that I can come and show y'all this method on how to bring y'all 360 waves back. Man, if y'all see my waves right now, y'all gonna look at me like this is not the 3WP I know. This is actually what my waves look like right now. As you can see, my definition is non-existent on the sides like that. It barely looks like I have waves. And now you kind of see that I'm really a crosshair waver. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm entering my whooping stage right now. So the effects are really exaggerated of my waves not being there. This is what this side looks like. You see what I'm saying? Like, it looks like I lost my waves. Now some of y'all go through this. It's not visible definition like that. My crown area, you still low-key see where it begins and how it's shaped, but besides that, it looks like I have no waves like in my crown area. You see it? It's just hair right there. Now the top is doing all right. You can tell I got waves from looking at the hair on the top, but nevertheless the definition is just poor. Now, the other day I did a poll on the 3WP YouTube channel. Some of y'all answered the question, how often do you go without brushing your hair? Now, a lot of y'all said, hey, I brush every day, B. Ain't no days off. Hey, and I salute y'all, man. But some people sometimes struggle with motivation and they skip days off. It's understandable. We all human. I'm not gonna judge you, all right, wave fam? And a lot of y'all actually do hit me up and be like, Rashad, my waves look like they gone. How I get them back? This is how you get them back. Boost the like button if you're ready for these tips. Let's get into the video.
Where was they at when we was gone? When we was working on these songs? Where was they at? When we was out here in the zone? When we was sipping on the songs, yeah. Where was they at when we was gone? When we was working on these songs, man.
Alright, Ocean Squad, the first step of this method is to wash your hair. So you want to grab your shampoo, you want to run your warm water / hot water, washing out any products you have in your hair. You want to start this method with a clean head. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start running this water right now. Hold up. And then I'm going to grab my shampoo. At the moment, this is the shampoo I'm using right now. Boom, low porosity protein free shampoo with spearmint extract and clear sage. Now that sounds like a whole lot, alright? And trust me, you don't really necessarily need a hair product that's as specific as this one. And I don't recommend you go ahead and grab this one just because I'm using this one. The reason why I use this one is because I have low porosity hair, so this is a little bit better for me, alright? And my specific hair. Now, if you don't know about hair porosity, it's just basically a way that describes how your hair absorbs moisture. Now, I could do a video about that. I learned about that hair porosity from watching a video by Country King, and that's an OG 360 waver. Spread a whole bunch of information to the wave game. At first, I was gonna show y'all how I wash my hair because I didn't think it was a big deal, but I remember a lot of people be wondering, oh, how you wash your waves, bro? So look, I'm about to just let y'all see. All right, so I'm gonna cut this water on, right? This water get warm, right? Watch this, Ocean Squad. First, I'm gonna damp my hair, right? Because I don't wanna put no shampoo in my hair when it's dry. Who does that? Let me roll up the sleeves on this robe. Let's get it. Now I'm gonna damp my hair. Also, what I'm doing is I'm scratching my head. I'm making sure the water gets distributed through my hair. I'm scratching my scalp right now. Distribute that water. Alright, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a little bit of this shampoo. Hey, that rhyme. Y'all think that rhyme? Let me know. So I got some shampoo. If you don't know how much shampoo to use, basically you gotta just use enough so that you know what I'm saying, it lather up like this. Now this specific shampoo, it lathers up a little bit more than regular shampoo, in my opinion, or at least the shampoos that I've been using in the past. This shampoo, I could feel the oils getting absorbed into my scalp. The oils that they put in this, yeah, I really sense them. And the reason why I sense them is because, like I told y'all, I've been using a lot of oils lately on my hair. And so I could just recognize the feel of an oil. I'm just letting it get distributed in my hair and my scalp. Get deep in there. All right, now that I got that distributed in my scalp, and after I finish scratching, I'm gonna dip my head back in this water and then scratch and massage my scalp to get the dirt out and any excess products that I may have in there. Now, some people may think that they gotta do they waves like this to wash it. You don't necessarily gotta do that. It won't hurt you if you go like this and scratch it frantically. But usually I do kind of go with my pattern though, just so y'all know. Like usually when my hair is not as tangled up as it is right now, I go like this and I just squeeze it out with the grain, you know what I'm saying? But on the bounce back method, you want to kind of get in there so you can really clean your hair out. That's a part of the bounce back method. Rinse out the shampoo really well, you know what I'm saying? And the next thing that you want to do is grab your conditioner, bro. This is real important. Now this ain't no Shea Moisture ad, you know what I'm saying? They should be paying me for this. Dang, my camera done fogged up on me. That's crazy, woman. All right, so the camera not fogged up no more. Now, next thing you wanna do is you wanna grab your conditioner, right? You wanna get your conditioner, all right? And look, you wanna get that in your hair, just like this, right, bro? Now, in the bounce back method, you wanna really make sure you distribute that in your hair. All right, you wanna make sure you scratch that in your scalp. Boom, get it in there, bro. All right, this one's gonna really help you. This conditioner, don't skip this step. This is one of the most important steps right here, putting that conditioner in. All right, now in this conditioner, I go lather up like that shampoo was lathering up. So you just wanna make sure you get a nice, good amount in there. All right, kind of use your judgment. Like you don't wanna put too little, but it don't really take that much. Now that's kind of confusing. That's a confusing statement. Just make sure you put enough that you feel like it's getting to your scalp. And that's pretty much it. Next thing you want to do with that conditioner, get you a comb, and I suggest combing that through. What combing it through is going to do is going to evenly distribute it through your hairs. All right? And that's good because that just means more of your hair is getting it. I'm going to get this on my beard too because, you know what I'm saying? Hey, keep my beard healthy too. Now what you want to do is let this conditioner sit in your hair for 15 minutes, all right? The reason why you want to let it sit in your hair for 15 minutes is because your hair is going to absorb the nutrients from the conditioner. When you wash your hair out, you tend to wash out natural oils that your hair produce on its own. And so the importance of conditioning comes into play because this is going to replenish some of those natural oils that you lost when you wash. So yeah, let me let this sit in my hair for 15 more minutes and then I'm gonna come back and rinse it out. As we can see, my waves are looking non-existent right now, Ocean Squad. And this is not a good thing at all, trust me. You don't want your waves to look non-existent. So what I'm gonna do real quick, I'm just combing my hair just to detangle it right now. That's the main thing I wanna comb it for. So you wanna comb your hair after you rinse the conditioner out. That's just gonna lift your hair off your scalp and detangle it. It's going to help you lay it down easier. After you finish combing it to detangle it, you want to grab your brush. Now, right now, I'm kind of woofing. I just started woofing. Like I'm literally 4 weeks since my last cut. So I'm going to use this hard brush and I'm going to just go ham on my hair and brush it for an hour. But if you don't have an hour, about 30-minute brush session would do the job too. You know what I'm saying? But hey, you choose the amount of work you want to put in. Your results are going to speak for themselves. As you can see, my waves are coming back. I didn't used to have this definition on the sides. And the more I brush, the more that definition is going to reappear. The brush I'm using right now is a 3WP Wood Grain Hard Edition. I'm getting some vertical brush work in because this brush has linear bristles, both vertically and horizontally. So that's the only reason why I'm brushing vertically like this so much. If you don't have a brush with linear bristles, when it's vertical, then I don't suggest putting in major brush work with vertical brushing. Y'all see me ignoring my crown? That's not a good thing, so let me give my crown some attention. I'm just going to continue brushing all around my hair, and I'm going to lay it down after that with the durag, and I'm going to leave that durag on for about 20 minutes, but let me finish brushing. After you finish getting your brush session in, you're gonna wanna durag it up. So I'm gonna durag it up right now. I'm gonna leave my durag on for about a cool hour because I gotta actually go get my mom and my sister because we about to make dinner or whatever over here. So after that, Ocean Squad, I'm gonna unrag the durag and I'm gonna show y'all the bounce back. Show y'all the bounce back for real. Alright, Ocean Squad, we coming to the close of this video. I want to show y'all exactly what my waves are looking like now. I've been wearing this durag for a little bit less than 40 minutes, alright? So I'm about to unrag, and then y'all gonna see the major bounce back improvement in my waves. Y'all ready for this? Get ready. This is gonna be crazy. These results, unlike anything you ever seen. I'm probably hyping it, but you know what I'm saying? I'm probably not hyping it at the same time. And this is what it's looking like. Let me zoom that in for you. Total bounce back. Am I right? Let me show y'all what the sides look like. This is what the waves are looking like after the bounce back method. I don't have no products in my hair right now either. I'm actually about to get my hair cut tomorrow, so I'm not gonna put nothing in now. But if you not about to get your hair cut the next day, then go ahead and put some products in. Matter of fact, I'm about to actually go ahead and put a little bit of oil in my hair. That's not gonna do no harm when I get my hair cut. Yeah, man, this how the bounce back looking. Yeah, man, I bounced back from that. This is what this covenant right side looking like. What y'all think? And ladies and gentlemen, that is the 3WP bounce back. Waves on swim. Haircut coming tomorrow. Usually, before I get my haircut, I want to make sure that my waves are really into place. So when I get it cut, the clippers slide through just how they're supposed to slide through, and have my waves looking really nice when the hair is finally cut. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Yeah, them sides was not there before I did this bounce back method, and this is what they looking like now. It's looking real good. That is the bounce back method, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy. Make sure you put in a lot of brushwork before you put that do-rag on. Also, you want to make sure if you brush your hair and your hair is no longer damp, when you try to put that do-rag on, then I suggest you dampen your hair up just a little bit. So go ahead and put some more warm water on it. As we can see, the waves on the side are there. They was not there before I did the bounce back method, and y'all seen that. Waves in the back, are they there? Alright, Wave family, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Please try this method. It's been slacking. For the 30% of y'all who said that y'all skip days, do this to bouncing back. And don't skip days no more. Alright, Wave family. I'm going to see y'all in my next video, which might either be come with me to get my haircut day routine video, or the video where I'm gonna pop up the pictures of the people who posted their picture and question in the 3WP Wave Family Facebook group, alright? It was like 60 of y'all who posted y'all picture and y'all question, so it's gonna be multiple videos because I can't fit all 60 of y'all in one video. Also, hit that bell button, that channel notification button, alright? Do that for me too. And whenever I post a video, just hit the like button right when it starts, alright? I appreciate y'all. Let's get the squad going. We own it, y'all. Ocean Squad, deuce.